Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
I knew then dawn in the wild, wild west when the school would discover who would be the best. And you know when the going gets tough, Mike is gonna dig down and use the right stuff. 'Cause if you wanna play handball, then you gotta give it your all.